Hi, Sam here with Refrigerator Trim Kits, and in this video I want to share with you how it works in terms of production and delivery of the product. So after we receive your order, which you place online, then you'll get a confirmation email just letting you know we did receive your order, and then we'll get that put into our production schedule. It typically takes about 1 to 2 weeks to produce, and from there you'll get after we finish your trim kit, you'll get a tracking number. Usually we ship UPS, but sometimes USPS, just depending on a few different factors. Takes about 2 to 4 days from the time we ship it to the time it's delivered to you. But you can use that tracking number obviously to track your package, and then you'll get an email that basically has an installation document, installation instructions, plus a link to an installation video that you can use to help you out during that install. So that's production and delivery. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email us, support@refrigeratortrimkits.com. Thanks.